Hello and welcome back for day 4. That's right, day 4 of our series on the Sermon on the Mount. And if you remember, we talked about several things. We talked about the Beatitudes. We talked about being salt and light. We talked about Christ fulfilling the law. And today we're going to talk about murder. Murder, a very bad thing. We're going to talk about how murder begins in our hearts. So let's go ahead and get to it. Matthew chapter 5, verse 21. We're going to start there. And this is what it says. You have heard that it was said to those of old, you shall not murder, and whoever murders will be in danger of the judgment. But I say to you that whoever is angry with his brother without a cause shall be in danger of the judgment. And whoever says to his brother, Raka, or fool, you shall be in danger of the council. But whoever says, you fool, you shall be in danger of hellfire. Therefore, if you bring your gift to the altar and remember that your brother has something against you, leave your gift there before the altar and go your way. First be reconciled to your brother, then come and offer your gift. Agree with your adversary quickly while you're on the way with him, lest your adversary deliver you to the judge hand you over to the officer, and you be thrown into prison. Assuredly, I say to you, you will by no means get out of there till you've paid the last penny. Well, listen to this. Jesus says, I say to you, you shall not murder. Whoever's angry with his brother without a cause is in risk of the judgment. So Jesus is saying here, murder begins in the heart. If you have hatred for your brother, if you're angry and you don't have a cause, it's the same thing. Whoever murders will be in danger of the judgment. Man, sometimes we think that it's okay to hold on to our anger and stuff. And here, I want to make a distinction. Jesus says, but I say to you, whoever is angry with his brother without a cause shall be in danger of the judgment. So this is a different kind of anger. This is like a jealousy and envy type of anger. This is not like a type of anger where your brother stole all your money out of your bank account, or your brother took your wife or killed your kids. Like, you've got righteous anger there, okay? And now, do you have to forgive? Yeah, I think you do over time. But right here he's saying, if you're angry with your brother without a cause, right? You're just mad at them. Like there's something inside of you that's been possessed by Satan. He says you're in danger of the judgment. He says, don't even bring a gift to the altar. Do not bring your money and put it in the offering plate or the offering box unless you have settled that. Go quickly to your brother and be reconciled. And I'm going to tell you right now, if you're holding on to unforgiveness, you need to let it go, because murder begins in the heart. The men who were in charge of conspiring to kill Jesus, the Bible says that they envied him, they hated him, and then they wanted to murder him. And they did all those things, but it started with envy, jealousy, and hatred in the heart. And they had committed that crime, that murder, in their hearts long before Jesus ever went to the cross. Thank you so much for watching. I pray that this has been a benefit to you. Let go of your anger. Go be reconciled to whoever you're mad at. No need in holding on to it. It's like a rocking chair. It'll give you something to do, but you won't get very far being angry. But Jesus said, you are in risk of the judgment. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and we will see you again tomorrow for our 5th day of the series on the Sermon on the Mount. God bless.
Subscribe for more.